today's video, you will learn how to dye or retouch your red hair naturally at home. Do you have gray hair? Do you want to learn how to dye it at home naturally? Many people worry about the excess of chemical substances found in hair dye. If you want to dye your hair more naturally, there are many methods for it. You can lighten your hair using honey or lemon, and you can even highlight your color with a variety of herbs, teas, and powder products. Did you know that? Besides, you can intensify the color or even make red highlights. See how. Use red bush tea. Have you ever heard about red bush tea? We recently talked about how it helps your skin health. Did you watch it? If your hair is already red, you can use this tea to intensify its natural color. However, red bush tea can't make your hair red by itself. It only works to highlight the red that already exists. In this case, make an infusion with 3 to 5 teaspoons, or the same amount of tea sachets in 2 cups of water. Let it cool down, then apply the tea to your hair. You can combine the tea with a hair conditioner or use it alone. Leave the tea in your hair for an hour at least. To get a darker tone, leave the tea for more hours. After that, rinse your hair. You can also use hibiscus tea, although this method takes longer and sometimes needs more applications to get the desired results. If you want to use hibiscus tea, use 2 cups of water, half a cup of calendula flowers, and 2 tablespoons of hibiscus petals. Boil the water, add the herbs, and let it boil for at least 1 hour. Strain the flowers and store your hibiscus and calendula tea in the fridge. Now, use this tea every day at the end of your shower. Repeat the process until you reach your desired hair color. After that, occasionally rinse your hair with this tea to keep the color. Use beet or carrot juice. If you want to give your hair a red hue, use beet or carrot juice. For a dark red or strawberry blonde, use beet juice. If you prefer a more orange-red hue, use carrot juice. Isn't it cool? It's easy to use them. Just add a cup of juice to your hair. If you have dry hair, add some coconut oil to make it softer. Pour the juice over your hair, then wrap your head in a towel or shower cap and let it act for an hour. Make sure to wear old clothes during the process since these juices can stain your clothes, okay? After an hour, rinse your hair. If you want your hair even darker, repeat the process the next day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.